In this video, we will show the installation for the Chupacabra Cuero Pro side mirrors with mounts from WD Electronics, compatible with 2024 and newer Polaris Ranger XD 1500 models. We demonstrate the installation on the driver's side of the machine. You can repeat the same installation steps on both sides. Remove the two plastic push pins from the rear edge of the triangular A-pillar cover. Carefully remove the outer half of the A-pillar cover. Start at the back and carefully work the panel free. There are 3 clips on the bottom edge of the cover and 3 clips on the front edge that hold the two halves together. Now you will install the black plastic spacer. There are 2 threaded holes in the A-pillar support. Line up the holes on the spacer with the 2 threaded holes and loosely install it using 2 of the included M8 bolts. This will keep the spacer aligned. Install one of the self-tapping screws into the center hole in the spacer and screw it in using an impact gun or drill. Do not over-tighten or you risk damaging the plastic spacer. Remove the 2 M8 bolts from the frame. Locate the 2 pre-marked dimples on the outer A-pillar cover that you removed. Drill a 9/16 inch hole in each pre-marked location using a spade drill bit or a hole saw. Remove any leftover plastic from the holes you drilled. Locate the black aluminum mounts. Install the ball to the base plate, making sure to line up the square cutouts. Secure them together using the included screws. Reinstall the outer half of the A-pillar cover, making sure that the clips on the front edge engage with each other. The holes you drilled in the outer cover will line up with the 2 round posts on the plastic spacer. Line up the 2 slots in the assembled ball mount with the holes in the A-pillar cover and plastic spacers. Install 2 M8 screws, hand tight, to attach them to the frame of the machine. There is a small amount of adjustment needed due to the slots on the mount. Verify the position of each mount before tightening them fully to 18 foot-pounds or 25 Newton meters. Open your mirrors and remove the pre-installed ball mount by removing the 2 bolts. Hold up the mirror in position over the ball mount and reinstall the other half with the 2 bolts hand tight. Be sure to start the threads by hand so they don't cross-thread. Reinstall the 2 plastic push pins into the rear edge of the cover. Adjust your mirrors to your desired position and tighten them down. Once everything is secure, your mirrors are ready to use. To ask us installation-related questions or to place an order, please visit wdelectronics.com.